Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Krista Reyes. I am 43 years old. I am the fourth in the family. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am a married and I have two daughters, aged of 19 years old and 11 years old. My current job here in Philippines as a nanny. I taking care of my niece, aged of 5 years old. My responsibilities to take care of her are I cook her food, bathing, change the clothes. I will take it to school. I will pick her up at school. And also I do the household, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and ironing. I have experience working in abroad as a domestic helper almost 6 years. My first employer is from Quarry Bay. The member of family is 7. I taking care of kids aged of 18 months, twins, and 5 years old. And also I care of Yeye. And also I do the household like ironing, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, cleaning the house. And my second employer is from Chunwan. The member of family is 3. I taking care of baby, age of 1 month old. My responsibility to take care of baby are make the milk, to feed the baby, change the diaper, change the clothes, bathing, make to sleep, wash the bottle, and also I do the household like ironing, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, and cooking. And also I have care pet, 2 cats. My second employer is from Chongquan O. The member of family is 3. I take care of baby, age of 1 month old, and I have also take care of pet, 1 dog. And also I do the household like ironing, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, and cooking. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I will do the best in my work. I will be the honest and hardworking. Thank you so much, mom and sir, and have a good day.